Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Chase Business Checking for managing online income step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Chase website. On the home page, locate the Business tab in the main menu. Hover over the Business tab until a drop-down menu appears. Click on Checking Accounts from the options provided. Review the different types of Chase Business Checking accounts available. Select the account that best fits your needs by clicking on Learn More. Once you have chosen an account, click on the Open Account button. You will now need to sign in to your Chase account or create a new one. If you already have a Chase account, enter your username and password. If you are new to Chase, click on Not a Customer. Open an account. Begin by providing your personal information, including your name and address. Next, enter your business information, such as the name and type of your business. Fill out the required tax identification details for your business. If applicable, provide information about any authorized signers on the account. Review the terms and conditions presented on the screen. Read through the privacy policy carefully and agree to it to proceed. After agreeing, you may need to set up your initial funding for the account. Select your funding source, which could be a bank transfer or debit card. Enter the amount you wish to deposit to open the account. Provide the necessary billing information for your funding source. Once everything is filled out, review your application for accuracy. When you are ready, click on the Submit button to finalize your application. After submission, check your email for a confirmation from Chase. Follow any additional instructions provided in the email to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in to your Chase online banking. Explore the different features available for managing your online income. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and account settings. Set up any notifications or alerts that you would like to receive. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your Chase Business Checking account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.